Hi there. Do you panic or freeze every time you need to speak English? Are you embarrassed about your English and feel uncomfortable every time you need to use it? Is fear stopping you from sharing your ideas and your stories? Well, Blabu is here to help. The ability to speak a language is a skill like any other and can be learnt. How? By speaking. Blabu is a safe place to practice speaking with the right support for you. In the Blabu Mini Course called Break the Fear of Speaking in English, you will receive a set of questions before each call. You will talk about known topics, will have time to think calmly about what you want to say, and you will get continuing support and feedback from a native English-speaking tutor. By eliminating uncertainty from the conversation, you can focus on your speaking only. You will build up your confidence step by step and see results after the first few calls. Book this mini course now and stop being afraid of speaking in English once and for all.